Is this new geometric case from CASEKOO going to be worth it for the 17 Pro Max? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, you can see that you have that nice blue geometric design. And not only does it give the case that geometric look, but it also is textured. So you have a little bit more grip when carrying your phone, especially when you're going to be on your phone as well, on calls or anything like that. When it comes to protection, you have that camera lens protector piece at the top. So that basically just hangs over that whole lens area. You can see it's popping out there. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it'll hit that popped out piece first, protecting that whole area. The case itself does have a nice hard backing as well, so going to be great for shock absorption. As far as the screen side, you do have an overhang too, so you have a little bit more protection there for your screen, but if you wanted maximum protection for your screen, you can just pair it with the screen protector. And not only is it going to protect your phone, but you still have all the conveniency with the MagSafe ring in the middle here, which also does pop out into a kickstand. So you can get your vertical viewing, your horizontal viewing, or if you wanted to, you can even use it as a ring too to get a little bit extra grip when holding your phone. And when it comes to the strength of the MagSafe ring, does a great job, holds all MagSafe accessories, wireless chargers, etc. Overall though, if you are looking for a new case for the 17 Pro Max, would definitely recommend this one from CASEKOO. It's got everything you need when it comes to protection, and with that new design, it's definitely going to make your 17 Pro Max look a lot more stylish as well.